Hearing the sound of your own voice differently is a totally normal experience wearing hearing aids. But here's the key, and this is what I want you to remember: it should improve or it's adjustable. The answer shouldn't be, well, you just have to live with it. Two, everyday sounds may sound sharp at first. Again, that's normal. Dishes, keys, running water, crinkling bags, often reminding people going to the bathroom or flushing a toilet, these are all going to sound different. You may suddenly discover that your house has been building this documentary soundtrack the whole time.